Alright, hello everybody! So, it's been a bit, but I am back here today to film a car wash that I filmed quite a few years ago at the famous giant Amoco here in the very, far western edge of St. Louis. Now, what's interesting is since the last time I was here, the Amoco brand is actually, officially a thing again. So, this place, it has a legitimate franchise. So, we're going to go ahead and check out their car wash. And as you can see, the 2009 Avalon that was featured in a few of my previous videos is now my full-time car. I actually bought this off my parents. I was planning on doing a full car tour, but I have a stereo replacement that is not quite going the way I planned, so I've been holding off until I get this figured out. But yeah, let's go and check out this car wash. So I already have a little bit of a bone to pick with this place. Just because how expensive everything is. So the cheapest wash they offer here is $10. I bought the top one, which is $20. Now I gotta interrupt myself real quick. There is the restored giant Amoco sign in all its glory. But anyway, $20 for the top wash, and that didn't even come with a discount on the fuel. So this better be like the greatest car wash in history here. Interesting how far back the pay station is. So you can see we have our options ranging from 10 all the way up to what I got, the Colossal, for 20. Looks like the pay station has not been upgraded.
Please enter your wash code. 55067. The wash is available. Please enter wash now.
And yep, here is our new PDQ Tandem Surfline. First time I've been through one of these. Alright, starting out with our underbody. can see the shop in there where they work on cars. Well, that was quite a system. So, I mean, the prices there are a little bit outrageous, but that is quite an amazing in-bay car wash. Very thorough cycle. They definitely didn't skimp out, at least. So, if nothing else, it's worth checking out just for the coolness factor. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and that is it.